What happens when great intelligence meets unstoppable power?
What if I told you that one of the world's biggest technology companies didn't start with smartphones or even electronics? It started by selling dried fish, vegetables, and noodles. Today, Samsung is one of the world's most valuable technology companies. But how did it make that incredible journey? Let's find out. Today, Samsung builds smartphones, televisions, memory chips, home appliances, and advanced semiconductor technology. Even if you don't own a Samsung phone, there's a good chance you are using technology made by Samsung every day. To understand Samsung's success, we need to travel back to 1938. At that time, South Korea was a very different place. A young entrepreneur had a dream of building a successful trading business that could serve customers beyond his hometown. That entrepreneur was Lee Byung-chull. With determination and a small amount of capital, he founded Samsung in the city of Daegu. No one could have imagined that this small business would one day influence billions of lives. Surprisingly, Samsung wasn't a technology company. It exported dried fish, vegetables, fruits, noodles, and other grocery products. It was a simple business built on quality, trust, and long-term thinking. The journey wasn't easy. Economic hardship and the Korean War created enormous challenges for businesses across the country. But instead of giving up, Samsung adapted, survived, and kept looking for new opportunities. As South Korea began rebuilding its economy, Samsung expanded into new industries. The company entered textiles, insurance, food processing, and construction. Each new business helped strengthen the company's foundation. Then came the decision that changed Samsung forever. In the late 1960s, the company entered the electronics industry. It was a bold move that would shape Samsung's future for decades to come. Samsung began by producing black and white televisions and household electronics. Over time, the company improved quality, expanded production, and earned the trust of customers around the world. Samsung didn't stop with televisions. It invested heavily in semiconductor technology, the tiny chips that power modern electronic devices. That investment would become one of the biggest reasons for Samsung's global success. As technology advanced, Samsung continued investing in innovation, research, and manufacturing. The company wasn't simply following trends. It was helping create the future. In 2009, Samsung introduced the Galaxy smartphone series. As smartphones became an essential part of daily life, Samsung focused on innovation, powerful hardware, and offering choices for every budget. The Galaxy brand quickly became one of the most recognized smartphone families in the world. Samsung entered intense competition with other global technology companies. Instead of relying on a single product, it continued improving displays, cameras, processors, batteries, and software. This commitment to innovation helped Samsung become a global technology leader. One of Samsung's greatest strengths is its investment in research and development. Every year, the company invests billions of dollars to create new technologies, improve existing products, and prepare for the future. Today, Samsung is much more than a smartphone company. It manufactures televisions, refrigerators, washing machines, memory chips, displays, medical technology, and many of the electronic components used by companies around the world. Samsung operates research centers, manufacturing facilities, and offices across many countries. This global network allows the company to serve customers efficiently while adapting products to different markets. Like every major company, Samsung has faced challenges, including intense competition, changing technology, and product recalls. But instead of standing still, the company learned, improved, and continued moving forward. Today, Samsung is one of the world's largest technology companies, with products reaching millions of homes every day. From smartphones and televisions to semiconductors and displays, its innovations continue to shape modern life. Samsung continues investing in artificial intelligence, advanced semiconductor technology, robotics, next-generation displays, and sustainable innovation. The company isn't just building products for today, it's preparing for the future. Samsung's journey teaches us 5 powerful lessons. First, don't be afraid to reinvent your business. Second, invest in innovation before your competitors do. Third, diversify wisely instead of relying on one product. Fourth, think globally while serving local customers. And finally, build your business with a long-term vision. From a small trading company selling dried fish and groceries to one of the world's most influential technology companies, Samsung's journey proves that great businesses are built through vision, resilience, and continuous innovation. So, the next time you pick up a smartphone, watch television, or use modern electronics, remember that behind many of those technologies is a company that started with a simple trading business. If you enjoyed this story, subscribe to Money Growth for more business documentaries, finance lessons, and success stories. Which company should we explore next? Learn, earn, grow.